Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make your profile in Valorant public to everyone in dark.gg. Basically guys, dark.gg is a website that allows you to show your match history to other people. Well, you can make your match history public and at the same time you can remove that and make it private. So that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. First of all, go ahead to your browser. For example, for me, I'm using Opera GX, and then go to this URL section and search for dark.gg. Now, guys, all you need to do is go down below, select the Valorant, and then here sign in with Riot Games. So let's sign in with our Riot account. So let's wait a little bit, and here I am. For me, I have already an account. That's why they didn't ask me for authorization, but for you guys, they will ask you for an authorization. Now, as you can see, my account is now public, so let me just make it private. Now it is on the private load. Let me just translate this page if I can. I don't know if I can. Okay, here we go. So make it in English. Here we go. So now my account is actually private mode. So in order for me to make it public, here we go. You just have to click on switch to public, and just like so, you can go now to your account and you can see everything in your account from rank, your games in unrated, win rate, spike crash win rate, deathmatch win rate, and then you can see even like your ACS win rates, average damage, cut and death, uh, like headshot I think this is, and average kills. Of course, here's the same thing, here's the same thing, and here's the same thing beside HAs and headshots and average damage. Because I guess I never get a headshot. Oh, no, actually I got a headshot in deathmatch, but I don't know why they don't calculate that. Anyway, in here you can find competitive, like the agent that you have played in competitive, your best weapon, which is for me Vandal. My headshot rate is 14.6, body shot 75, damage, etc. Your hit kills, etc. Here, other things. Um, so these are like all the things that you have in your accounts, your statistic and everything. So now the account is public and everyone can see that. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.